Hello everyone, this is Mrs. Chen. Nice to see you today. And today we're going to learn about how to solve division problems with a remainder using the array and area models. And today's objective is I can solve division problems using arrays and area models. Okay, and now you will need a piece of blank paper and a pencil or whiteboard and marker. I will give you 1 minute to go get those materials. Okay, and let's start with the first problem, which is 10 divided by 2. Okay, so let's first draw an array to represent 10 divided by 2 first. I will draw 2 circles and place 10 dots evenly among the circle, which means I will draw 10 dots as 2 rows of 5 dots. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, and we already know we have 2 dots for one group. So let's count how many groups can we get. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so which means our quotient for this problem is 5. So 10 divided by 2, we can get 5. Okay, and let's do on the gray paper, which is the area model right here. So same thing as when we draw the arrays. So we already know we have to have 2 in one group. So let's start with 1, 2 for the first set, and 3, 4 the second, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And in this square paper, if one square, the length is 1 centimeters, and our width for this rectangle, the width is 2, and our length is 5. So the total squares we colored is 10, and we're using 10 divided by 2. And what we get is 5. And in area model, as you noticed already, maybe our length is equal to the quotation. So our quotation is 5. Okay, so that's for our first problem. And let's look at our second one, 11 divided by 2. So same thing, we draw the arrays first. So let's draw, we already know we need 2 for one group. So let's see how many groups can we get to 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. Okay, and let's circle 2 dots together. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we already have 5 groups. And for this dot, we don't have another dots to pair with it. So we say this is a remainder 1. And how many groups? 5. And we can say the quotient is 5. And what we do for the area models, we will do the same thing as what we're doing right here. So start with 2 first, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. So we can draw one rectangle like this. Oops. So we have, as you can see, we have a rectangle right here. So the width is 2 and the length is 5. And we have this extra square right here. So we can say this is the remainder 1. So our quotient is the length, which is 5, and our remainder is 1. So 11 divided by 2 is equals 5 and remainder 1. Okay, and let's start solving the third problem. And let's only do the area models this time. For 16, and we already know we have to have 3 for one group. So we have, let's see how many groups of 3 can we get to 16? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16. And we can see we have a rectangle right here. And for this rectangle, the width is 3 and the length is 5. And we have this extra square right here. And we have only one square. So the length is the quotient, the quotient equals 5. And our remainder is 1. So 16 divided by 3 equals 5, remainder 1. Okay, and let's see the last one. 23 divided by 4. Okay, we already know 4 in one group. So let's see how many groups can we get to 23. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, and 23. And we have a rectangle right here. And the width for this rectangle is 4. And the length is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. And we have 3 extra squares. So our quotient, which is our length of the rectangle, equals 5. And the remainder is 3. So 23 divided by 4 equals 5, remainder 3. Okay. And after we solve the number problems, basic numeric problems, and let's see some, there's one word problem. Okay, so Chandra printed 38 photos to put into her scrapbook. If she can fit 4 photos on each page, how many pages will she use for her photos? So we already know she has 38 photos to put in her scrapbook. And each page can fit 4 photos. And she's asking how many pages she can use. So we have to divide by 4. Then we can get the answer of how many pages will she use for her photos. Okay, then since we get the equations, and we can already start to set in error models. So we already know each group we're going to put 4. And let's see how many groups can we get to 38. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38. Okay, and we have a rectangle right here. So this rectangle, the width is 4, as we already know. And how many, so how long is the length? So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. The length is 9. And we have 2 extra square. And that's 2, so length is the quotient, and the quotient is 9. And the remainder is 2. So she will need 9 pages, but she will have 2 extra photos, and so which means she need 1 more page for her extra 2 photos. So for this answer, how many pages will she use for her photos? so she still needs 10 pages because she wants to put all her photos into her scrapbook. So 9 pages is not enough. So we will do 9 plus 1 for her, another 2 photos. So the answer is 10. Okay, and now it's your turn. I have four numeric basic problems right here, and remember to use the gray paper on the right side to help you solve the problem. And I will give you around 4 minutes to do it. Okay, and now let's go over the answers. So for the first one, let's directly use the error models. So we already know we have to have 7 for each group. And let's see how many groups can we get to 44. So we can start from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, oops, I draw 1 extra. Okay, 44. We have 44 right here. Okay, so we can see we have a rectangle right here. And the width for the rectangle, as we already know, that is 7. And the length right here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6 for the rectangle, and we have 2 extra square on the side. And the length is equal to the quotient, which is 6, and the remainder is 2. So 44 divided by 7 is 6, remainder 2. Okay, and let's see the second one. 34 divided by 6. And each group is 6. And let's see how many groups can we get to 34. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34. Okay, and we have a square right here. Okay, and for this, not a square, a rectangle. And for this rectangle, the width is 6, as we already know. And the length for this rectangle is 5. And we have 4 extra squares on the side. So the quotient is 5. And the remainder is 4. So 34 divided by 6 is 5, remainder 4. Okay, and let's see the third question. 37 divided by 6. Okay, so same as the second question. We need 6 for each group. Let's see how many groups can we get to 37. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37. Okay, there we go. And we have a rectangle here. And for this rectangle, the width is 6. And the length is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. And we have one extra square on the side. So the quotient is the length, which is 6. And the remainder is 1. So 37 divided by 6, that is 6, remainder 1. Okay, and the last one, last problem, 46 divided by 8. Okay, so 8 for each group, and let's see how many groups can we get. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46. Okay, and we have a, okay, hold on a second. Okay. Okay, so we have a, oh my God, I'm sorry. Okay, so we have a rectangle right here. And the width for this rectangle is 8. And the width for the rectangle is 8. And the length right here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 extra square on the side. So our length is the quotient, which is 5, and the remainder is 6. So 46 divided by 8, that gives us 5, remainder 6. Okay, and this is really quick and simple lessons, and that's all for today. And here are some resources for you to practice at home. So the first one is from onlinemathslearning.com. So right here, it will give you some questions, like this one, 18 divided by 6, and what is the quotient and what is the remainder. And it also gives you a video then for to show step-by-step solutions. And here are some more practice problems you can do, and it also gives you the step-by-step solutions. You always can check your steps. And another one is from Khan Academy. So right here, this one is only for 2 digit by 1 digit, and it also has some multi-digit division, like 279 divided by 24. Like if you want to challenge yourself, you can totally do this extra practice right here. And they also have teaches you how to solve the long division with remainder, like 3,771 divided by 8. Yeah, and this is a really good website. So if you want to challenge yourself, like do some different problems. Okay, and that's all for today. So I will see you next lesson and hope everyone have a great day. Bye.